What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to fix the issue when your Wi-Fi is not working using a Lenovo device and Windows 11. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First of all, the most common way to fix Wi-Fi connection problems is to restart your Windows 11 Lenovo device, as well as your router or modem. When this is done and the issue persists, then search for Wi-Fi in your Start menu search to open up your Wi-Fi system settings window. Here, make sure that Wi-Fi is enabled. Next, click on Manage Known Networks and select the one you wish to connect to. Here, make sure that the Connect Automatically when in range option is enabled. When this is done, make sure that your network adapter's driver is up to date. Search for Device Manager in your Start menu search and hit Enter. On this window, expand your network adapters. Right-click the one you are using and select Update Driver. Lastly, select Search Automatically for drivers. In case you're unsure about which one you are using, then simply update them all. Now, you should try to reconnect your Wi-Fi connection. If the problem persists, then you should make use of your Lenovo Vantage application, in case you have that at your disposal. Search for Vantage in your Start menu search to open up the application. Here you have a variety of options available to you, such as changing the thermal mode, enabling rapid charge, and previewing your SSD and CPU usage. Make sure that the network boost option is enabled, and in case Wi-Fi security is enabled, then disable it for now to see if this option is the culprit of your bad connection. In case it's disabled, then enable it, as it may also help with an unsecured Wi-Fi connection. When this is done, and you're still unable to connect to your Wi-Fi, then search for Control Panel in your Start menu search to open it up. Here, make sure to view by category and select Network and Internet. Next, click on Network and Sharing Center and then click on Troubleshoot Problems. On Windows 11, your settings window will open up. Under Other Troubleshooters, select to run the Internet Connections Troubleshooter. Lastly, you should make sure that your operating system is up to date. Search for Update in your Start menu search and select Check for Updates. In your system settings, click on Check for Updates, Download or Install Now. When the download is completed, simply restart your system to install the latest Windows update. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.